I have decided to become an astronomer. Oh wait, no, sorry, that's a real science. I meant I have decided to become an astrologer. While technically labelled a pseudoscience, I can guarantee that astrology has landed me into a lot more pussy than astronomy has landed us on the moon. So at the end of the day, who's the real scientist here? And don't even get me started on physicists. Oh, what's that? You're an expert on physics? Well then how come you can't physically attract a woman? So now that I've debunked the so-called hard sciences, allow me to explain why astrology is the only science you need. Because I know some of you watching are probably skeptical, being Capricorns and all. But the truth is, astrology has been a great help to me. You see, before I became an astrologer, and a pickup artist, and a psychic, I used to think that no woman would be dumb enough to settle for a guy like me. But after reading about compatible star signs, and then realising how many women believe in astrology, that opinion quickly changed. Don't know anything about astrology? Not a problem, because luckily for you, I'm a Leo. Meaning I'm an incredibly generous and humble individual and will happily teach you everything there is to know about astrology. So sit back and relax as I teach you how to become an astrologer. Step 1. Learn the star signs. Obviously the first step to becoming an astrologer is learning the star signs. While most people know there are 12 star signs, not everyone knows they belong in 4 elemental groups. There's water, earth, fire, and air. Long ago the 4 nations lived in harmony, but then everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all 4 elements, could stop them. But that's a story for another time. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces come under the water sign. These signs are exceptionally emotional and ultra-sensitive. For example, the current Dalai Lama Tenzin Gyatso is a Cancer, and when I think of exceptionally emotional and ultra-sensitive people, I think of Tibetan monks. The fire signs are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. These signs get angry quickly, but they also forgive easily. For example, Stalin was a Sagittarius, and he definitely got angry at people quickly. Not very forgiving from what I hear, but then again, star signs aren't supposed to be 100% accurate. Only the accurate parts are supposed to be accurate, you see. The earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. These signs are grounded, and the ones that bring us down to earth. Now personally, I used to be of the opinion that famous Taurus Adolf Hitler was not a very grounded and down-to-earth person. But hey, what do I know? The star signs say otherwise. Finally, we have the air signs: Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. The air signs love philosophical discussions, social gatherings, and good books. For example, Kim Kardashian is a Libra. Yeah, seems about right. So after writing that, I was wondering if Kim Kardashian was as stupid as everyone says she is. Sorry to say, I haven't been keeping up with the Kardashians. I'd rather fuck a cheese grater than watch that, to be honest. But after a quick search on Google, I found out that she's self-studying to become a lawyer. So I guess we'll see in time how accurate this star sign is. Who knows, maybe some of Kanye's genius rubbed off on her.
You tried to play nice, everybody just took advantage. You left your fridge open, somebody just took a sandwich.
So those are all the star signs. Now obviously there are differences between each individual star sign, even if they are in the same elemental group. But that's the gist of it. Now each individual star sign has its own constellation. I mean, obviously they're star signs. I won't show you them all, but to give you an idea, here's the Aries constellation, which is that's clearly supposed to be... that is a goat. See how the stars perfectly align to make a goat. Scorpio. I'm guessing that's a scorpion, not really because it looks like one, more just because of its name. And I'll apply the same logic to Cancer and assume that's what Cancer looks like. At this point you are probably thinking, Mug, you still haven't explained the most important part. Which birthdays belong to which star signs, so I know which one I am and which ones other people are. Well, if you was thinking that, good point. Here you go. Feel free to pause and take down notes. There will be a test on this later. So now you have a basic understanding of astrology, you are probably wondering what can you do with this profound knowledge? Well, step 2, find someone compatible. Star signs can help you easily find the right match for you. I met a girl that was smart, kind, incredibly funny, and had a nice ass. I thought she was the love of my life, but unfortunately it turned out she was a Virgo. Well, oof. That doesn't look good. So knowing it would never work out, I had to dump her. She tried begging for me back, but she should have thought about that before being born on the 24th of August. Well, I'm no idiot, and I'm not going to make the same mistake twice. So after carefully consulting this compatibility chart, which you too can use to find the perfect match for you, I checked out Sagittarius and I like the look of that. The best thing about their sex life is the passion they share. Leo is there to bring inner fire for the act of sex, and Sagittarius to fire up the expansion. Well, I have no idea what that means, but it sure sounds hot. So it looks like I need to find myself a nice Sagittarius girl. Or guy. I'm pretty sure I'm straight, but if a guy has the star sign I'm looking for, I might as well give it a go. After all, the star signs never lie. So if you've been having trouble finding the perfect partner, now you know why. Try giving the compatibility chart a go. Then once you have that sorted, it's time to get your social media feed sorted. Step 3. Astrology posting. Now that you know the ways of astrology, it's time you let everyone else know. And never, ever let them forget it. By posting relatable astrology memes. Hey guys, you know how Virgos have a tough time opening up to people? Wow, isn't this meme so relatable? Hey guys, you know how Tauruses have a tough time opening up to people? Wow, how accurate is this meme? Hey guys, did you know that Cancer has a tough time opening up to people? Oh, sorry, did I say Cancer? I meant Aries, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Scorpion, Capricorn, and Pisces. Wait a minute, I have a tough time opening up to people sometimes, and my star sign is on there. Wow, how does astrology do it? Who could have possibly predicted that based off my star sign alone, that I've had the basic human experience of not wanting to open up to people that literally everyone has experienced. But if you thought that was spooky, check this out. You see, I'm a very awkward person, and then I saw this meme of the most awkward star signs and... well, Leo wasn't on the meme itself, but it was in the tags. Isn't that insane? Sure, I know it did literally list half of the star signs, and mine didn't show up despite there being a 50-50 chance of it showing up by coincidence anyway, but that's not going to stop me from getting a dopamine rush from sharing this. Hey guys, did you know that Aquariuses have trouble opening up star sign dick sizes, eh? Hey guys, remember when I said I was a Leo? I kind of misspoke. What I actually meant to say is that I'm a Aquarius. What, you didn't think I was going to say Scorpio, did you? Come on guys, there's too big, too small, and just right. Didn't Goldilocks teach you anything? That being said, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to just change my star sign. After all, the star signs never lie. Although my measuring tape sure does. I mean, I'm definitely not a Virgo. What was the point of this part again? Oh yeah, memes. You see, there's more to it than just sharing memes. If you want to become an astrology master, you have to make them. Don't worry, it's really simple to do. First, you just need to list at least half of the star signs off so as many people share as possible. But don't list all of the star signs because this will mess with the illusion that the people sharing are in any way unique. Second of all, we need to come up with a super relatable caption like, if you are one of these, you are a bad bitch. Finally, you need to find a super relatable safe for work image to finish off this meme. And presto, you're good to go. So to recap, the 3 steps to becoming an astrologer are learning the star signs, using the compatibility chart to get laid, and finally making and sharing some relatable memes related to star signs. On that note, I hope you had fun learning how to become an astrologer. Sure, not everyone will see you as a respectable scientist, but at the very least, I do. Good luck, friendos.